Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini hairbrush. This is the mini version of Tangle Teezer's Wet Detangling hairbrush. And this one is in Pink Sherbert. And taking a look around the box packaging, there's some product information as well as features of this wet and dry hair detangling brush. There's also information about its inventor and founder. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by popping open the box lid. Which I'm struggling to do so over here. But there we go. Just pulling out that clear plastic flap. And pulling the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini out. Of course, there is that card insert with the product features and information in various languages. And I'm just going to close the box back up and set it to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the frame or table, and now just setting the hairbrush in the middle of the table so you have a clear and full view of this Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini. So giving you several views and angles of this hairbrush before I start handling it. And now let's take a close-up look. So this is the mini version of the Wet Detangling hairbrush, also available in regular and large sizes and other colors as well. And to give you some idea of the size of this hairbrush, resting the hairbrush in my hand to give you some sense of scale and size. So taking a full 360 rotation of this hairbrush. So you have a clear and full view of the design of this hairbrush, and you can see that it has a two-tiered system of teeth or bristles. So the longer ones do the detangling work and the shorter ones do the smoothing out. So this hairbrush can be used in the shower or on dry hair, and it also does have a keyhole in the grip handle, or maybe a keyring hole to be exact. So you can always hang it with your bunch of keys. This being the mini size or travel size, makes it easy to carry around. And just giving you that close-up look of the firm flex teeth of the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini. So close-up details of this hairbrush and its glossy finish. On the top side, it does have a slight concave design on the back, and on the main surface with the two-tiered firm flex teeth. And dragging my finger along the teeth just to show you how they respond, and pressing down even harder, this time with more pressure and effort, as you can see right there. Brushing my finger against that two-tiered teeth design. It's right there, pressing even harder to give you a better idea of that design of the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini. And taking a look at the grip handle with that keyring hole. And you can see the molded Tangle Teezer branding on that glossy surface of that grip handle. And the different grip methods for holding and using the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini. And once again giving you some sense of size and scale of this mini version of the Wet Detangler Tangle Teezer hairbrush. Okay, so now let's try it out by brushing my hair. So my hair is slightly brushed already. Let's give it a few strokes. So you can hear right there running the hairbrush right through my hair. And no snags or tugs, with a nice and smooth brushing pattern. So that's the Tangle Teezer Wet Detangler Mini Hairbrush. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!